What's up, everybody? It's Seth Fowler. Probably out of focus. Let's try this again. Ow. I did not just hit my head on the table. What's up, everybody? I'm Seth Fowler, and today I've got some big boxes to unbox from Arizona and Adidas. So let's get into it. Adidas and Arizona Iced Tea sent me some giant boxes. This one came in this morning from Arizona, and this one came in from, I believe, Adidas specifically. So I don't know if one of them has tea in them. Arizona Iced Tea for years has been my absolute favorite beverage, and I'm not just saying that. Literally, living in New York, going to college in Philly, I would go to every 7-Eleven, every corner store, and usually buy like 5 to 6 Arizonas because they were 99 cents, and at CVS sometimes they were on sale for half price. And my favorite flavor was probably, I really like peach, but peach is regional. See, I know too much about Arizona Iced Tea, it's ridiculous. Raspberry and green tea. Green tea is delicious, and it gives you a nice little bit of energy, and it's the best. But I had no idea these were coming, and when I saw this box this morning that said Arizona on it and looked at the label and saw that it was from Arizona Iced Tea or Arizona Beverage Company, I got really, really excited. And then this one showed up, which sort of gave me the hint that it's from Adidas, and I got even more excited because an Arizona Adidas collab, I don't even know how this could look. I haven't seen any images of this leak online. I think they've been pretty secretive about it. So I'm gonna give you guys a first look. This is like one of those dreams that come true that you never even realized was a dream. And it's happened, and it's here. And I have, presumably, hopefully, a sneaker or two with my favorite drink on it. Talk about unexpected collabs. This is awesome. So let's move this giant Arizona Adidas box off the table. There we go, and start with the small one. Always start small. Really quick though, if you haven't entered my Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Lundmark giveaway for this exact pair, make sure to enter. All the links and the instructions on how to enter are in the description below. Actually, really quick, check out how cool this Arizona tape is. I mean, okay, it's not that cool, but it's a nice touch. It's a nice detail. I like details. I used this knife because I thought it'd be sharper, but it's actually less sharp than the other knife. Here we go. I didn't cut it all the way through. See, that knife's not sharp enough. First things first, as usual, we've got to note, Adidas Originals has joined creative forces with Arizona Iced Tea to design a limited edition collection, unexpectedly combining the DNA of two inimitable... Hey Siri, what's the definition of inimitable? No, not inadmissible.
Especially if evidence in court.
Stop. Siri, what's
okay.
Hey Siri, what's the definition of inimitable? Hey Siri, what's the definition of inimitable?
Here's what I found.
Not in the military bowl. So good or unusual as to be impossible to copy / unique. Okay, that's actually the perfect word for it. What you've received is going to be exclusively available at our surprise pop-up shop in NYC on July 18th and 19th. Very cool. Not so much a surprise anymore. Should I not have read this on camera? On a first-come, first-served basis, fans are invited to drop in and refresh with a can of 99-cent Arizona that will include one pair of limited-run Adidas, I'm not gonna say what shoe it is, silhouettes, designed with Arizona brand iconography. Very cool. So the event will take place on July 18th and 19th, 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. at 208 Bowery, NYC. Very cool. I'm gonna have to check that out. Let's take a look at the sneakers that are inside. Look at that box. That's sick. It says Arizona and Adidas. It looks like a consortium box. It's actually really nicely done. Ooh, it's got sample tags on the front too. No way. Adidas just sent me a sample. Ah, that's sick. I love when they do that. Okay, let's open this guy up with the 99-cent Arizona pull tab. Nice touch. Here we go. Well, we've got some green tea young ones. Whoa, talk about floral. These are unbelievably floral. These are actually really, really sick. I love these. So these are actually based on the Arizona green tea can. It doesn't say green tea anywhere on there, but you know, based on my Arizona knowledge, I knew what it was. I hope some of the other shoes in the other box aren't flavors that I don't know because that would be embarrassing after I said that. This is a really, really nice collab. Wow. All the flowers on this shoe are embroidered. Every single one of them is surprising quality. I'm kind of blown away by that. I would have expected them to print it. It says great buy 99 cents at the top. That's on the top of the Arizona cans. That's so sick. That might actually be my favorite detail of the entire shoe. So this Arizona pair of young ones comes with teal laces already put in the shoe. You've also got white laces with gold lace tips. cream laces with gold lace tips and black laces with gold lace tips. I think the teal ones also have gold lace tips as well. Yeah, they do, and they're metal. I'm actually gonna leave the teal laces in because I think they look really nice on this shoe because the entire upper of the shoe is teal. I'm gonna have to get a picture of this with like an Arizona can. Obviously I have to do that. Oh man, I hope another sneaker YouTuber doesn't do it first. These are sick. So you've got a black outsole, you've got a light pink torsion system, you've also got light teal accents on the outsole as well. If you would ask me what an Arizona Adidas collab would have looked like, I would have not expected this, and that's a really good thing. This was done really, really well. Oh, I didn't notice that before. You've got the Adidas 3 stripes on the lateral side and medial side of the shoe in pink to match the flowers. But inside the shoe, the insole of the sneaker also comes in teal with the Adidas and Arizona branding in gold, metallic gold. I mean, I wish I had a can next to me, but this is exactly what the green tea can looks like. And it works so well too because it's floral, and floral's huge right now. This is awesome. You guys killed it with this. This is sick. So now I'm gonna stop drooling over these, and I'm really just thinking about Arizona iced tea, honestly. Now let's get into the giant Adidas Arizona box right here. Oh, now it's cutting fine. It says great buy on the side of the box. That's awesome. All the little details in this collab are nuts. I love them. They sent me Arizona, they sent me iced tea, and they sent me 4 pairs of shoes. Let me move this box off the table. So first thing inside the box, we've got another note, the same note from before. Yes, there we go. Now you see it. No way! I actually didn't even mean to pull this out. I thought this was another Arizona can, but it's not. This is actually an Adidas branded Arizona green tea can. Oh, this is sick. Oh, this is going right in my desk. 100%. This is super sick. It's actually a much thicker metal, so you're not gonna break it. That's so awesome. Yo, they killed this collab. Okay, so the next thing in the box is... Oh man. Oh, the back is sick too. It's got the Arizona green tea flowers. Have an ice day, Adidas Arizona. So like I said, there are 4 pairs of shoes in this box. So let's start popping them open. So here's the first one. Arizona and Adidas branding on the front. You've got it on the back. No size tag or anything like that, but you do still have the 99-cent great buy pull tab, which is awesome. Whoa. So they sent me the Continental 80s that have the same sort of pattern from the green tea can. So they do look a little bit different, obviously. The embroidered images seem to be slightly larger on the Continental 80s than they do on the young ones. You've also got the Adidas branding in gold on the heel, and also a black sock liner and black laces. It does also come with teal laces too, and the cream and pink ones again if you want those, but it comes primarily laced with black laces. And you've got a black outsole. I love that great buy there at the top. That's sick. You still have the same green tea insole with the gold branding on the heel. Oh, I didn't even notice that. That's sick. So instead of Adidas's branding right there on the left shoe, you've actually got Arizona's branding in gold in that little window. And then on the right shoe, you've got Adidas. Okay, so the next box actually looks like it could be the same shoe. I'm not totally sure. Pop it open. It's not the same shoe at all. I really thought this was gonna be another Continental 80, but this, oh, it is a Continental 80. It just doesn't have the stripes running down the side. It actually looks like a skate shoe a little bit. So this time around, there's not too much embroidery, just these yellow zigzags and then this black diamond right there. The leather on this Continental 80 is butter. This is crazy nice. You've also got the great buy on the tongue, this time around in pink, which is very cool. Again, Arizona's logo on the side. I really like that toe area. I think that's awesome. I love that color scheme right there. Same black outsole as the other colorway, but this time around it's more of like a classic sort of colorway. I mean, it looks like an 80s or 90s shoe. And then the insole of the shoe is a little bit different as well. You've got a bunch of different patterns and the Arizona and Adidas logo on the heel again. This is awesome. This is really, really cool. I love this. This time around, the lace selection is a little bit different. You've got an extra black pair, an extra white pair, an extra teal pair, an extra yellow pair, and then it comes with sort of a cream pair already laced. And then instead of gold, you've got silver at the ends. Another Adidas box. Another sample, actually. Ooh. Oh, another pair of these. I've got 2 pairs. I wonder what I should do with the second pair. Stay tuned, guys. Something might be coming. Honestly, so far, I think the young one is my favorite out of the entire group. I just love it. I think it's an awesome, awesome sneaker. Okay, moving on to the fourth and final shoe in the box. Here we go. Same box. Also a sample. Also a young one, but I'm hoping and I'm thinking the colorway might actually be different. So let's see. It's different. Whoa. Look at that. So the fourth and final shoe is an Adidas Young 1 in this yellow, gray, pink, and green colorway. It matches the Continental 80 in the same colorway. In fact, looks like we've got two of each. So you've got the more classic iced tea colorway, and then you've got the green tea colorway. I think these two are my favorite. I think the two Young 1s are my favorite. I just really like the Young 1 silhouette a lot. This is a really nice colorway. I'm just blown away by this collab. They did an awesome job. So this upper has a lot of suede on it. You've got pink suede on the toe and some really low pile or maybe nubuck suede in this sort of tan or cream color. You've also got bright yellow laces and then the Arizona logo right there on the lateral side. Of course, your great buy tag at the top. That's my favorite part of the entire collab on all these shoes. The great buy tag at the top. That's so awesome. You've got the three stripes in black and pink. You've got some nice teal accents in mesh. That's sort of the base layer of the shoe. And then the tongue is actually really nicely colored as well. You've got teal, you've got gray, you've got pink, and then on the back, you've got bright yellow. And actually, even on the medial side, you've got this nice bright yellow hit right there. This is really nicely done. They killed it. They did a great job with this. You've also got a black outsole with some white accents, some teal accents, and of course, a yellow torsion X or plate right there in the middle. And then the insole of the shoe is that same Arizona pattern with the Arizona and Adidas logo on the heel. And then the lace options that you have on this colorway are yellow, green, white, and black. This is absolutely insane. Adidas and Arizona, you guys killed it. You guys did an awesome job with this collab. These are definitely bright and crazy and out there shoes. And if you like that and if you like Arizona, these are definitely worth picking up. And as of right now, it actually seems like they're pretty limited too. Like it looks like they can only be picked up from that pop-up shop. I wouldn't be surprised if down the road maybe they released in wider numbers. I don't know for sure. I don't have any like insider knowledge about that, but something to keep in mind. If you do live in New York and you want to grab a pair of these, I definitely think it's worth it. These are awesome sneakers. I think this guy's my favorite out of the bunch. It's probably one of the craziest, but it's just so different. And then this Adidas green tea can is nuts as well. Make sure to leave a comment in the comment section down below letting me know what you think of this collaboration and which one of these four shoes is your favorite. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.